Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM card into the device. So to get started, we will need this SIM eject tool. Now you can find this one in the box where the device came in, just somewhere like between the paperwork, or you can also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it will work just as well. So once you get one of the two, what you want to do is pop out the tray, which is located right at the bottom of the device. So as you can see right now, it's holding in there, and once you push it in, you'll see that the tray pops out. So you can take it out, and you have space for only an SD card, or not SD card, I meant SIM card. So unfortunately, no expandable storage. So let's place our SIM card right here, and then insert it back into the device. As you can see, the card goes with the chip side towards you, as you can see, and yeah, so like so. And there we go, there is the pin for the SIM card, so obviously it's working. So that is how you would insert your SIM card into the device, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.